Hello dear students. So students, as you all know that soon you are going to have your final exam. So start preparing for it, as this time you have to give your exams in your hard copies. Okay. So watch the videos properly. Go through each and every question of your exercise. Okay. So let's get started. Class 3rd, we are doing revision of your chapter number 4, that is your multiplication. Okay, so here I have written a question that 315 by 3. It means you have to multiply this 315 by 3. So first you have to arrange them in columns. Okay, as you can see this is ones, tens, 100. So you have to make 3 columns, that is of ones, another one of tens, and the next one is of 100. And you will write 315 over here, multiplied by 3. Clear? So first you will multiply this with the one digit at the ones place. So this will 3 5s are 15. Carry goes 1. 5 I have written over here. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4 and 3 3s are 9. Okay. So your answer is 945. In this 315 is known as your multiplicand. 3 is known as your multiplier, and this answer is known as your product. Okay. Now we will do a multiplication of 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. For learning to multiply a 3-digit number with a 2-digit number, first we will learn how to multiply a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. So first you will arrange them in column as they are in ones and tens. So you have to make 2 columns. One is of ones, another one is of tens, and you have to multiply this 63 by 90. Clear? So first you will start the digit which is at the ones place, that is your 9. 9 3s are 27. So 2 as a carry and 7 I have written over here. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 2 56. Clear? So you have done with this with your ones digit at the ones place. So you will put a cross at the ones place, or you have done with one digit, so I have put one cross. Now your next digit is 1. So 1 3s are 3 and 1 6 are 6. Clear? You have done with both the digits. Now you have to add them. So 7, here it is crossed. So 7 will be written as 7 only. Now 6 plus 3 will be 9 and 5 plus 6 will be 11. Okay, and this is your answer. Now students, in your exam, if you got question based on multiplication, you have to follow the same process as I have done. If you are just writing the answer, I will be not giving you marks. First you have to arrange them in columns and then you have to show the proper solution of it. Okay. Next, we will multiply a 3-digit number with a 2-digit number. So first you will arrange them in columns, ones, tens, 100. Okay, and I have arranged them in columns, and then you will write multiplied by 12. So I told you start with the digit at the ones place. Now 2 7s are 14, carry goes 1, 4 will be written here, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 and 2 2s are 4. Clear? Now you have done with the digit at the ones place. So put the cross at ones place and start with the digit at the tens place. 1 7s are 7, 1 3s are 3 and 1 2s are 2. Clear? Now you have to add them. So below 4 I am having a cross. So 4 will be written as it is. Now the 7 plus 7 will be 14. Carry goes 1. 4 will be written here. 4 plus 3 will be 7 plus 1, 8, and this 2 will be written as it is, as there is no number over here. Okay, and this will be your answer or your product. Clear? So next we will do one word problem based on your multiplication. So what is your word problem? A book cost rupees 128. So the cost of one book they have given you rupees 128. How much will be paid for 45 such books? So how much amount to be paid for if you are buying 45 such books? So I told you, when they have given you the value of 1 and you have to find the value of many, then you have to go with your multiplication. So here I have written the statement, cost of one book is equals to rupees 128. Therefore, Cost of 45 books will be 128 multiplied by 45. Now we will do the multiplication over here. First you have to arrange them in columns. So I have written like this and I have written 128 multiplied by 45. Clear? Now 5 8s are 40, 4 over carry, 0 will be written over here. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4 will be 14. 1 I have written as a carry, 4 I have written over here. 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. Clear? Now we have done with the digit at the ones place, so I have put a cross. Now 4 8s are 32. So here 3 will be carry, 2 will be written over here. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 carry goes 1. 1 I have written over here. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, so I have written 5 over here. Now you have to add them. So 0 will be written as it is. 4 plus 2 will be your 6. 6 plus 1 will be 7. And as there is no number, so 5 will be written as it is. So what you will be writing? The cost of, or you can write therefore, cost of 45 books is equals to rupees 5,760. Clear? So students, if you have to solve the word problem based on multiplication, then you have to write the proper statements for it. So if suppose this question is of 3 marks, okay, and you have not written the statements, so I will be cutting your 1 marks for the statement. So write down the statements properly and then do the solution as I have done. Okay. Now the next chapter which we are going to revise is your chapter number 5, that is your division. Okay. So first we will do a 2-digit division by a single digit. Okay. So for this you have to make a box like this and then you have to write the dividend inside the box, that is your 95, and write down your 7 over here. Now you can see that here I am having 2 digit 9 and 5. So we will take this one digit, the first one from this side. Okay. So you can see that 9 is bigger than 7. So you can do 7 ones are 7 and then you have to subtract. So 9 minus 7 will be 2. Clear? Now this 2 is smaller than 7. So what you will do? You will copy this one, the second digit over here. Now it becomes 2 5 25. Okay. Now in 7 table 25 goes. No. So we will find a number which is smaller than 25. So 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. Now 7 fours are is 28 which is greater and 7 threes are 21 which is smaller than 25. So you will do 7 threes are 21. Okay, and now you have to subtract it. So 5 minus 1 will be 4 and 2 minus 2 will be 0. Now you are having 4. As you can see there, I am not having any digit to copy down. So this 4 becomes your remainder. Okay. So this is the way of doing the division. Now we will do another division. That is your dividing 1349 by 4. Again you have to make a box. Write down the division over here. That is 1349 divided by 4. Okay. Now you can see the first digit is 1 which is smaller than 4. So I have to take these 2 digits. So it becomes 1 3 13. Now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12 and 4 fours are 16. So 4 fours are 16 will be greater than 13. So I have done 4 threes are 12. Now subtract this. So 13 minus 12 will be 1. Okay, now is 1. This 1 is smaller than 4. So you have to copy the another digit. So I have copied 4 over here. Clear? Now you have to find the number which is smaller than 14. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. Again 4 fours are 16 is greater than 14. So you will again go with 4 threes are 12. Okay, now subtract these two. So 4 minus 2 will be 2 and this 1 minus 1 will be 0. So no need of writing it. Again this 2 is smaller than 4 and here I am having another digit, that is your 9. So copy down this 9 over here. Now it becomes 2 9 29. Now 4 sevens are 28 8. So I will do 4 sevens are 28, and when you subtract it, what you are getting? 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so again you are getting here a remainder, which is your 1. So this is the way of dividing a 2-digit number or a 3-digit or 4-digit number with any number. Students, you also have to practice word problems of your divisions. Okay, you have to practice for your word problem with proper statement, as we have done in multiplication. In the same way, you have to solve the problem based on your division, and you have to write the statements. Proper statements should be there when you are solving your question paper. Okay.